At Johnson & Johnson, we have two distinct sides of the firm. On one side is Karen's side of the firm that she manages, and that has to do with cases involving child protective services primarily. And then on my side of the firm, it's mostly with criminal defense and civil rights cases. However, we have the same mentality, even though we have two distinct sides of the practice, in how we pursue defense in our cases.
The Law Offices of Johnson & Johnson is fearless, tough lawyers. We often litigate our cases and we get it out there in the courtroom. And the more you get the truth out, the more successful you are.
People come to us with really serious problems,
Yeah.
right? I mean, their careers are at stake, their families are at stake, their liberties at stake. Those are the kind of things we deal with every day. And you have to be committed to the client in order to really, really help them. We've made a decision a long time ago that this is what we were going to do. And we're the kind of people that believe that people do have rights, that people are taken advantage of, and they need somebody.
I'm driven by, I guess, the human experience, the human suffering. I want to fix that. I want to get these kids back home as soon as possible. It's super important to me, working with people that are suffering and trying to help.
We're not a volume business. We would much prefer to provide a quality service as opposed to handle a bunch of cases and not really be able to give them the time that they need. There's volume private firms that it's just a numbers game. And you're a number, you're not a person. And if you are, it's for a fleeting moment and not for the life of the case. So for us, it's for the life of the case. And that makes a big difference.
Every file has a heartbeat. When I train people, I'm like, this isn't just a file. This file has a heartbeat. It's a human being attached to this. So treat it that way.